Hi. This is Sharon Stanley from Creative Hands. Today I want to show you something you have never heard of. At least I did not see this anywhere. So take a look at this star and see how it's rotating. I made this animation with just 2 keyframes. By the way, press U for show the keyframes. It's rotating very smoothly. Right, let's recreate this animation. I will delete the keyframes and make a keyframe at the start. And I make a second keyframe at the 25th frame. Let's play it. It's just normal animation. Now let's make this keyframes ease. Let's play again. Now the starting point and end point are smooth. Now let's see what we can do with the graph editor. Select the keyframe and click on the graph editor icon. This is the graph of the animation we created. We can customize our animation by adjusting this graph. Now you can see that our animation is different. And it looks nice. If you feel the animation is little faster, you can extend the animation time. Okay. This is how you make any animation smoother. But take a look at this circle. It's just a small animation, but the animation is not smooth. So let's make it ease. Now the starting and ending parts seem good, but not good enough. So let's try the graph editor. This graph looks same as their graph for the rotation animation we made, right? But we cannot bend this graph like we did for the rotation animation. I tried everything, but the handles did not appear to bend the graph. So what we can do to make the animation smooth? So listen carefully. Put a keyframe before the end keyframe by clicking the keyframe icon, and move closer to the starting keyframe. Now play. Little faster, so extend the animation time. Now you can see the animation is a lot better than before. Take a look at the other animations. You see that the star is moving in the normal way, but the box is moving slowly at the beginning, and faster at the end. Whereas the circle moves faster at the beginning, and slowly at the end. Now you can see the difference clearly. Okay, let's see how did I make the box movement. I am deleting the keyframes. Create the first keyframe by clicking the stopwatch and create the second keyframe. Now make this ease. And we're gonna make one more keyframe in between. If you wanna slow the starting movement, you create a keyframe near the starting keyframe and drags it near the end keyframe. The idea is to extend the particular part of the animation. Let's play this. We got the animation we needed. We can't make this animation using the graph editor. But you can check the graph editor after making the changes in the keyframes. Now you can see that the graph is bent. See how we can change the animation looks cooler by using these techniques. For the tutorial's sake I used it on the simple animation. But you can use this 3K technique on anything. You know, we use 3 keyframes for one movement, so I named 3K technique. I like it. As I said, you can use it on camera movements, typographic animations, explainer videos. So, use it on your work and comment your experience and how helpful it was. Hope I helped you guys. You can check my other tutorials also. You can check out my trees pack for Element 3D. You will like it for sure. I like to do more tutorial like this. If you like my videos, you know what to do. So do it now, at least on the next time. Thank you, let's meet again.